Hello everyone, welcome to the Canton Fair 2024. HFSECURITY invites you to explore the groundbreaking innovation at booth number A0801K01 from October 15th to 19th. Today we are excited to introduce the HFSECURITY HF-X05 multimodal biometric access control device. First, the HF-X05 comes with a battery and many advanced features. As you can see, it can plug in a SIM card and a PoE, and it has a battery. It also has functions just like the fingerprint recognition and enroll. Put your finger in here. Okay, success. NFC readers, as you can hear, just put it in here. Okay, success. And we also can use the face recognition in here. Okay, as you can see here. So it's very convenient for us. And then experience the total control with the HFATMS Cloud Platform in here. Okay, as you can see, there have the several functions in here, the user management, communication settings, and different functions. It's very convenient. Join us in revolutionizing your security infrastructure. Don't miss your opportunity to witness HF-X05 in addition. Visit us at Canton Fair booth A0801K01 from October 15th to 19th and elevate your access control to the ultimate level of safety and convenience.